Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohammed Periel Chana, Hikvision Certified Trainer. In today's video, I'll teach you how to use the Hikvision SADP Tool step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check Hikvision device model numbers, IP, and firmware, how to activate a new device, how to change your PC local IP to communicate with the device. So, let's get started. SADP stands for Search Active Device Protocol. It's a free software from Hikvision that automatically detects all Hikvision devices connected to your local network. You can download it directly from Hikvision's official website. After installing and launching SADP, the tool will scan your network. On the main screen, you'll see a list of all Hikvision devices such as device type and model number, IP address, serial number, firmware version, activation status. This is very useful when managing multiple devices. If your device is brand new, you'll notice the status shows inactive. To activate it, select the device from the list. Enter a strong password of your choice. Make sure it's at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm the password and click Activate. Now your device is active and ready to configure. By default, many Hikvision devices come with an IP like 192.168.1.64. If your computer is not on the same network range, you won't be able to access the device. To fix this, first, change your PC's local IP. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Select Change Adapter Options. Right-click your network adapter properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. TCP/IPv4. Set your IP address to something in the same range, like 192.168.1.100 with subnet 255.255.255.0. Now in SADP, select the device, click Modify IP, enter the new IP address you want, and confirm with your device password. Your device will now be on the same network as your PC. One of the best features of SADP is quick information access. For each device, you can check model number, for example, DS2CD1043G2LIU. Firmware version, important for updates and troubleshooting. Current IP address. MAC address. Activation status. This helps in managing large installations and ensuring everything is up to date. And that's it. Today we learned how to detect Hikvision devices with SADP. Activate a new device. Change IP addresses. Check model, firmware, and status. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more Hikvision training tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.